This Egyptian hand-knotted wool carpet, woven with the 99 beautiful names of Allah, arrived at our workshop in a critically fragile condition. Our restoration begins with a traditional herbal wash, removing dust, carpet moths, insects, and larvae, while preserving the original wool and colors. Every damaged area is then carefully examined by new wool is carefully hand-dyed to honor the carpet's original colors. Then the true restoration begins. One knot, one thread, one careful movement at a time. Using only traditional hand knotting techniques and a simple needle, our master craftsmen patiently recreate every missing knot exactly where it belongs. No machine can imitate this precision. No shortcut can replace this patience. Every knot is a promise to preserve the original weaver's vision. Every stitch carries the wisdom of generations. Hand to hand, master to apprentice, a timeless craft continues to live. This is more than restoration. It is the preservation of heritage, woven back into every single knot. Pile is carefully hand-trimmed, allowing every repaired knot to blend naturally with the original surface until the restoration becomes almost invisible. Every final detail is then refined by hand, respecting the carpet's history, character, and craftsmanship. To prepare it for generations to come, a strong hand-woven hanging belt is meticulously stitched onto the back, entirely by hand, allowing the carpet to be displayed safely without compromising its structure. What once stood on the edge of irreversible loss has now been preserved for the future. At Royal Carpet Restorations, restoration is not simply our profession. It is our family's responsibility, carried forward through generations of traditional craftsmanship, whether Persian, Egyptian, Oriental, Indian, Turkish, or tribal, whether wool, silk, or cotton. Every carpet is entrusted to our hands with the same patience, the same respect, and the same unwavering commitment to authentic hand restoration. Because every carpet tells a story, and every story deserves to live on.